So while my brownies are still hot in the pan, I'm using my little boat press because I'm going to put some stuff in them. I don't know what yet, but we'll figure something out. Maybe some peanut butter. Brownies with peanut butter sounds good. These are not the special brownies, by the way. They're just brownies. But I think threw that in the sink, but it can actually go in the dishwasher. So I think I'm gonna fill it up with peanut butter, maybe some skor. Let's see what we can figure out. Filling some of them up with peanut butter with my small scoop. Can't do them all with peanut butter because my husband's allergic to peanut butter, so gotta save a few for him.